Have you ever found yourself scraping dry dough off your counters or tossing another dishcloth into the garbage? Well, then today's video is for you. Hi, welcome to Farm Bread. I'm Kate. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 10 tips for quick, easy cleanup so you can spend more time baking and less time scrubbing. And the best part, most of these tips can be done while your dough is rising or your bread is baking in the oven. Tip number 1. As soon as you're done with your mixing bowl, make sure you fill it with warm water right away to prevent any dough from drying along the edges. Tip number 2, use that mixing bowl as a mini sink. So while you're working, once you finish with any of your other tools, drop them into your mixing bowl so that they can soak while you work. Tip number 3, wipe the bowl clean with your hands before you reach for a sponge or a dishcloth. So when you have your bowl in the sink full of nice warm soapy water, just rinse your hands around the inside of the bowl to release any of the dough that was stuck along the edges, and do that for the bottom as well. That way, once you actually do use a sponge or a dishcloth, you're not going to have any dough residue that's really sticking. Tip number 4, scrape off and discard any dough scraps into a compost bin or the garbage before you even put those tools or your bowl into the sink. Tip number 5, and this may be the best one, use a bench scraper on your counters before using a cloth. This will save you so much time trying to scrub your counters, and it works beautifully. Tip number 6, after you scrape your counters with your bench scraper, use a cloth in your hands too. That way you can use your fingers to feel for any lingering little bits that need a second pass. So tip number 7, avoid scrub brushes or any textured cloths. They trap the dough. I love a Swedish dishcloth. It's flat and it's super easy to clean with. It's almost like a combination of a sponge and a dishcloth. Tip number 8, don't let dough-covered tools sit too long. Clean them right away. It's going to save you so much time in the long run. Tip number 9, always clean your Danish dough whisk, if you're using one, right away. The dough can get stuck in the little cracks and crevices, and it is a pain to get out once it's dried. So definitely always clean your Danish dough whisk right away. And last but not least, tip number 10, wipe down your mixer regularly. Flour can accumulate in little crevices and spaces over time. It's always a great idea to just wipe it down, even if it looks clean, after each use. I hope these tips really help make your cleanup so much easier and your baking that much more enjoyable. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite cleaning trick that I didn't mention, and definitely subscribe if you're enjoying this and you'd like to hear some more bread making tips. And I want to give a special shout out to Frank for asking me a question about cleaning. This is something that I definitely think is an integral part of our bread making process, and I try to incorporate tips in different videos, but I love the idea of creating one video for you to reference easily. So thanks for the inspiration, Frank.